Filming in Chernobyl is nothing like anywhere else. The most radioactive zone is there itself at the plant. My name is Zhenya. I'm the producer on the ground for the Chernobyl series. The procedure to get the permission to be at the power plant is very strict. We were not allowed to touch the walls, to put something on the ground. Everything should be on our shoulders for the whole day. They had different checkpoints when you enter from one zone to another. We spent, I think, like 2 hours at the control room 3 because it was safe there. After that, all the locations were with a higher level of radiation, and we had from 5 to 10 minutes on each location. I was saying, guys, faster, to be responsible for the crew, for their health, like a producer, it was not an easy one at all. Health is health, safety first. During the wartime, it's not kind of easy to manage these kind of locations. It's a nightmare for every producer, I guess, to wake up in the morning and realize, okay, we are not going to the set because it's like a drone attack. We need to keep people in safe place, and even during the shoot we usually stop and go to the shelters. The second day we were in Pripyat. It was a huge city, and super close to the power plant. From above it's more like a forest now. You really kind of face the scale. So many people died and so many people suffered. It was kind of difficult to cope psychologically with what you see when you see like kindergarten fully destroyed and toys are there, like small kid stuff. One night everything is perfect, the kids just peacefully slept in these beds, and then wow, in a second their life changes.